What is currently being done to help northern spotted owls? Have you ever wondered what it takes to protect a bird that is struggling to survive? The northern spotted owl is a fascinating species that needs our help. Let's take a closer look at what is being done to support these remarkable birds. First and foremost, protecting their habitat is essential. Northern spotted owls relying on large areas of mature and old-growth forests. These forests provide the shelter and food they need to thrive. Since 1992, federal protections have been put in place to safeguard these habitats. However, these protections have faced challenges from the timber industry, which seeks to reduce them. Conservation groups and government agencies are actively working to defend and restore these critical areas across Washington, Oregon, and California. Another important aspect of conservation efforts is managing competition from invasive species. The barred owl, which is larger and more aggressive, competes with northern spotted owls for territory and resources. To address this issue, wildlife agencies have implemented programs that involve the humane removal of barred owls. While this approach can be controversial, it aims to reduce their numbers and give northern spotted owls a better chance to recover. In addition to these efforts, there are also voluntary conservation programs that encourage private landowners to protect owl habitats on their properties. These programs often include incentive-based agreements that support landowners in maintaining or improving habitat conditions. By working together with federal wildlife services, these landowners play a vital role in conservation. Ongoing research and pilot projects are also crucial. These initiatives assess habitat conditions, evaluate the effectiveness of barred owl control, and explore new conservation strategies. Collaborative efforts among federal, state, tribal, private, and nonprofit partners are essential to adapt and improve these initiatives over time. For the northern spotted owls, these actions representing vital support to maintain their homes and reduce threats. Protecting their forest habitats ensures they have the places they need to hunt and raise young. Managing barred owls helps reduce competition, giving them space to thrive. The commitment from various groups reflects a growing recognition of their importance in the ecosystem and a dedication to their survival.